Welcome back to the channel. Today we're working on the E93 M3, particularly this drain over here. And the reason why you want to be draining these out and cleaning them out is so that you don't get too much water buildup in this area, the rear area of the car, which can end up flooding the trunk area where your battery is and your amp. So you don't want those to short out from water. So clean these drains out. When you first start off by lifting the car up, you'll see there's a cover right here. You want to remove these two screws. They're T30. So I have my T30 here. Two screws, and then you can go ahead and then kind of slide this out of the way. And now you'll have access to these drains in the back. There's one on each side. Right now I'm on the passenger side. This is a 14mm hex, so go ahead and put your 14 mil in there. And then just unscrew it out. And if yours is clogged up, you're gonna see a lot of water come out. Right now, no water is coming out of mine, so that's a good sign. Let me take it off. So, as you can see here, just some dust and dirt buildup. You can go ahead and clean this and then you can put it back in. There is a hole in the bottom here, and you can see there's holes coming through as well on the inside. So water does come through this plug, but the problem is if it's clogged with dirt and grime, then the water starts to build up here and it can't come out of the car, and then it ends up backing into your trunk. So make sure that you clean this out. Make sure you get a coat hanger or something and just kind of stick it in there, maybe a hose, and just really wash out the inside. Make sure there's nothing building up inside of that drain. Then I'm going to go ahead and put this back along with the screws, and then do the same thing on the other side as well. So if you have water that's leaking into your trunk, it's most likely a blocked drain plug. So make sure that you check this on your E93. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a good afternoon.